said my goodbyes. I said, she is with me. She is with us. It's up to us how we carry her in our heart and in our lives. I have seen a tremendous change within our community. I have seen a great love and a great bonding and a great coming together. And this, to me, I want you to remember, this is an opportunity for us to see what heaven is really like. It means we all love each other just the way we are.